back to JT's Adventures. Today we're going to talk about household problems. Alright, here's our normal kitchen faucet. You might say it might be working, but as you know, in the beginning it's not. And so the problem is when you pull this down and you're going to go all around doing dishes, this happens. You might be thinking, how do we fix this? First, of course, watch this video, then get out your phone, go onto eBay, and then order it, and then in just a minute, the package will be right here.
Yeet!
Alright, here's the package. Now we start with taking apart the faucet-ish thing, just the hose there. Alright, here's this part, and this is the part the water shoots in here and then all sprays out. Alright, so we just can't pull it out because it's attached in the bottom, so that's what we have to repair. So let's go down. Now what in here is this stuff, and now that we're under, let's get the hose detached by the quick detach. So we push this button right here and hopefully not get wet. And then here we are with this. Now that we're out, we can't just pull it out because this quick connect is still there. So we have to twist it until it comes off. And once that's off, we can literally just pull it. And it's leaking, like I supposed. Now, let's pull it up. And then here's the hose. Now that we have this out, we don't really have to use it. So, let's just do a slam dunk right here. Now, we just have to slide this in, but the backwards way like we did that one. Now that that's in there, we can screw this back in. And hopefully this doesn't turn out bad like the last time. Alright, before we snap it back on with this quick connect, don't forget this boy. And it's not a thick donut. So we have to slide it in right under here, just like this. And that's what holds the faucet up at the top from going like that. And I'm also doing that at the bottom. So you have to slide that through. And we might have to get under here again. Of course we have to. Will you hand me that fast boy? Now that we have this on, slide back.
Did you put the quick connect back on?
Yes.
Let me check the tightness. Always have a grown-up check. Hold the phone.
All right.
There we go.
All right. Now that we have this quick connect on.
You remember where it goes?
What about here? Yeah, and you might have to check on the.
Let me double check. John Thomas, you've done a great job so far.
Just hitting my head everywhere.
We've done this whole video and avoided plumber's butt.
Now that Dad's underneath, let's check for any leaks. Any leaks down there?
Keep it going, it's good.
Any leaks?
I think you made it happen. We're good.
Woo! I'm looking under here with y'all. And it's working. Oh, remember what happened last time? Leaks. No leak. And also, just in, a special thanks or shout out to Faucet Shop.
This only cost us about $27, and it got here in less than 3 days. So check out their eBay store. This is a non-sponsored suggestion. It's a good business. All right, good job on your first plumbing repair. Who knew it? You can fix plumbing. Now your next job, the toilet. Just kidding, our toilet's not broke yet. All right, thanks for watching. Check out John Thomas's other videos. JTAdventures out.